Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a shared folder in Google Drive. Sharing folders makes collaboration with friends, colleagues, or clients fast and simple. First, log into your Google Drive account using your preferred browser. Once you're in, click the New button on the top left corner and select Folder from the drop-down menu. Give your folder a name that clearly identifies its contents, then click Create. Next, locate the folder you just created in your Drive. Right-click on it and choose Share from the menu. A sharing window will pop up, allowing you to add people by entering their email addresses. You can also set permissions for each person. Choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the folder. This lets you control how others interact with your files. After adding the emails and setting the permissions, click Send to share the folder. Everyone you invited will receive an email notification with access to the folder. And that's it. Now you have a shared Google Drive folder ready for collaboration. This simple setup keeps your files organized and accessible to your team or friends anytime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.